All right. I would like to. I'd say, if you feel that your air conditioning and heating system just never did what you thought it should do, it's worth the no charge, service fee to have something looked at. I mean, even if you there's nothing wrong, it's worth it for that peace of mind to say, you know what, okay, this is how my unit works, this is why it's working the way it is. And then you'll have a list of things that you can do, or that we could do, or somebody can do to make it better. So I would say, if you have any thoughts or concerns that maybe it's not working the way you want, all it costs you is a little bit of time. And I think that's something that you should take advantage of. Our office number, you can always get a hold of us at the office, 210-534-9911. And anytime online, it's impossible to not be able to schedule an appointment online with our website. So it's wilksair.com. It's www.wilksair.com.